Welcome. In this video I will show you how to update system on your TELEFUNKEN J501. Press the home button to open the home menu. From here we're gonna have to navigate to settings. Use your down bottom D-pad key to do this. Then in settings we're gonna have to navigate to system tile and just click OK when you highlighted it. And after that, navigate down to more and click OK. Find software upgrade. Click OK. Then navigate to scan for update and wait until your TV finds a new software. And if it finds something, then just select accept and wait until the newer software version is downloaded and then installed. So let's wait for a moment. Once the new software is downloaded, click accept to start installing it. Your TV will start installing it and then will reboot shortly. Make sure to not power off your TV during the update process, as it may break your TV or damage your device's firmware. Okay, so the TV is rebooting. Let's wait until it's restarted. And after your TV is restarted, we're gonna have to accept the additional settings that come with this update. Of course, you don't have to accept them, just accept the ones that you'd like to have on your TV. And after that, navigate to OK, click OK, then select yes. And at this point, the TV software is updated. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.